What's up, everybody? Welcome back to BT Willis Garage. Got a cool project today that involves the TRD Pro. We're actually going to be putting this remote start kit on there. So Accessorides is the only one that I can find where you don't have to splice into your main harness in any way, or ignition harness or anything of that matter. So when we open it up, it comes with an instruction manual. Throw those away. I'm going to be teaching you. We've got our OBD2 main harness. We've got our ignition harness plug-in, our BCM plug-in, and then the main computer unit here, which I'll teach you how to program. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. Welcome to the channel. This should be a fun one. So I've added some lights to help you guys see. It's nighttime right now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add text to this video, and tell me if you like this format versus like my AJT Designs key format. If you prefer me talking, that's cool, but we're going to try just throwing the text up on the screen. This is such an easy install. It should probably take the average person 30 to 45 minutes, I would assume. Alright guys, so at this point I'm going to let you determine how you want to zip tie those wires up. Just make sure that you stay out of the way of your steering wheel column adjuster, and make sure your parking brake, whenever you do that OBD2 wiring, that you wire it behind the parking brake. But I'm going to let you guys figure that out. It's pretty easy and kind of frustrating if you have larger hands, but you'll get it figured out. I have confidence in you. Alright guys, we just barely beat the rain. I just got out. The car is not locked. Lock. 1, 2, 3. There she goes. Alright, so let's go ahead and hop in. I'm going to teach you guys something. Once you get here, your door's going to still be locked. So you're going to need to unlock the car as normal, or the truck, SUV, whatever. Hop in. Now, if I push the brake right now, the truck will turn off. So you don't need to crank the car all the way. You just need to put the key to position 2. So 1, 2, furthest you can go without cranking it. And now I can just go ahead and put the truck in reverse and take off. And so let me show you what I could show you, but if you push the brake, the truck will turn off without the key in. So Tim at Accessorides is awesome. He provides amazing customer support if you guys need it, if you need any help reprogramming, or if you're not sure about a wire. But if you followed this video to a T for the TRD Pros, leave that little gray-red loop closed. You don't want to cut that. But anyway, hope you enjoy, and enjoy those cooled down cars or heated up cars, depending on what season it is. Thanks for watching BT Willis Garage.